Okay, it's time to sort out the winter greenhouse.
So you've got a nice array of seedlings that you've grown yourself there, mate, from home. What are you planning on getting in today? Into this lovely border I've created.
Can we do that again?
Go on.
Just can you ask me what I'm planting? What are we planting today? Just ask us one.
Okay, Phil, what are you planting in the greenhouse now?
I'm putting the winter, overwintering vegetables in now.
Okay, and what have you got there?
We've got some winter lettuce, Arctic King.
Lovely.
So this is all going in the greenhouse. We've got some Mizuma.
Oh, nice.
Some endives. Some endives here. Some, let's see what these are. Corn salad, lamb's lettuce, which I've never grown before.
That'll be interesting.
Little seedlings. Another one I've never grown before is American landcress. That's going in today.
Is that a bit like miner's lettuce?
I'm not sure.
Or is that the lamb's lettuce is similar?
I think they're similar. These are baby pak choy that I'd left over from an outside sowing, so I'm going to put them in as well. And there's some chicory here as well. Here we've got some chervil. Chervil here, and this is miner's lettuce we've got here as well. So it's a mixed salad bowl of stuff that's going to go in, and we can just pick over the winter.
Now that'll crop.
Slow growing crops.
So that'll crop till when? About April, March?
Yeah, I mean they'll as long as we want them to crop, really. Yeah, but they'll give us an overwintering crop, and not vast quantities, but enough to tide us over the winter, you know. So
but they
we
come
get
to
fresh
their end
salad
around early spring.
Yeah, they like cool conditions, so
nice.
We're going to fill the greenhouse with that, and hopefully we can clear them out for the summer crops in the spring.
Yeah.